So I'm particularly interested in thermoregulation, so how the body controls internal temperature. And it does this via a number of ways, but the particular areas we're interested in is the control of skin blood flow and the control of sweating. Anytime someone is faced with a heat stress, for example, a hot environment, or if they exercise, then they're very likely going to gain heat. So their body temperatures are going to go up. So they need to be able to lose heat to make sure that body temperature doesn't go too high and get to a dangerous level. So they need to increase skin blood flow, dissipate heat to the surroundings. They need to sweat to evaporate that heat out into the environment. On the other side of things, if they enter a cold environment and they lose heat, there's a chance that body temperature might go down. So they need to be able to ensure that it doesn't go down too far. It can do this via reducing skin blood flow and a number of other responses that the body can produce, such as shivering and increasing metabolism as well. We tend to look at quite a range of groups, so we're very interested in what happens to the elite athlete when they're competing in hot climates, for example, or in tournaments. But we also do look at an average sedentary person, but we also have a particular interest in patient populations who might be quite predisposed to what we call thermal injuries or heat stress injuries. For example, people with spinal cord injury, postmenopausal women who might suffer from hot flashes, diabetic population. There's quite a range of diseases that do affect the body's ability to regulate temperature. So that's quite important to understand, so we can help them should they, should they encounter a hot environment, or should they have to exercise in general for their health, and we can help them perhaps avoid them becoming too hot during those exercise bouts. We very much like to embed our research in our teaching. So if we're teaching on a particular module and we're teaching about a topic that we are currently researching in, we will present the latest data that we found on this topic to ensure that the students receive the latest findings on this topic. We're very lucky here that the facilities here are world leading. There's some fantastic facilities for us to do our research here. Everything is very modern, it's very new. There's a whole range of high-tech novel equipment that we can perform our experiments in, and we're also looking to develop our own techniques and better those techniques, so we can continually look to improve our research outputs and the quality of our research. But at the same time, making sure we continue to impact favourably on the public, the community, and those populations that we do work with.